Hi class. Okay, we are ready for book review set 4, slide 7, the last one of this. All right, the first thing we are going to be doing is we are going to be rounding these factors, and then we are going to find the estimated product. All right, so I'm going to just go ahead and round to the highest place value for each. So I'm going to round to the hundreds place and then the tens. I look at the number to the right. If it's 4 or less, let it rest. If it's 5 or more, add one more. Well, it's 6, so it's 5 or more. I'm going to add 1 to the place value I am looking at. I make that a 6. The numbers to the right become a 0. Here, I look at the number to the right. It's 4 or less. Let it rest. When I'm resting, you do not mess with me. You add nothing to me. I stay the same. And my numbers to the right become a 0. Then I'm going to find the estimated product. Product means multiply. I have 3 zeros. Love my zeros. Box them, cross them, bring them down. 6 times 3 is 18. So our estimated product is 18,000. Here we're going to draw and label a line, a ray, and a line segment. I want you to remember when we were in class and I would have my hands straight out to the side and my fingers pointing, and then I had where I had fists on both hands straight out, and then on one I had one fist and one fingers pointing. So we had a line, a ray, and a line segment. So which is which? A line goes on forever and ever and ever. Now, but it says to label it. So when you have a line, you can label anywhere in between those arrows. And you can label anything you want. I'm going to do A and B. So this is line AB. If I'm going to do a ray, think of a ray of sunshine. Here is my sun. There is my ray. Again, you can label it anywhere within those arrows. So I'm going to say C and D. And then a line segment is where we have both fists. So this we have to label on the ends. We have to label on those points. We're going to label it E and F. So that's drawing it and labeling them. If someone asked you to just write what it was, like they would ask you, if they said draw this, this is how you would draw it. Line AB. If you saw something that looked like this, that would say draw a ray CD. And if you saw something like this, these little pieces, that would mean drawing a line segment, EF. Is this triangle equilateral? So we have isosceles, and I might not spell this right. We have equilateral, and we have scaling. I want you to remember scaling. I want you to remember when Braylee and I were joking about getting on a scale. Would we be the same? No. If I got on the scale with Charlie, would I be the same? No. Scaling, all sides are different. That's my different, okay? Equilateral has the word equal kind of in it. That means all are equal. And then isosceles, remember I said, I saw 2 lakes. I saw 2 lakes, which means 2 are equal. 2 sides are equal. Well, here we have 15, 15, and 15. So yes, it is equilateral because all sides are equal. This asks how many lines of symmetry does this have? Remember, symmetry means that wherever you cut it, one side will look like the other, the left to the right, the up to the down, however you split it. If I split it like this, does this top look like the bottom? No, absolutely not. Okay. Okay. If I split it down the middle, now you have to pretend I drew a perfect V, which I totally didn't. If I split it down the middle, does the left look like the right? It does. It folds onto each other. So it has one line of symmetry. What row comes next? You know, when I do patterns, I like to kind of make rhymes or letters. So here we're going to go triangle, circle, triangle, triangle, circle. Triangle, 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 circle, triangle, 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 circle. So you've got 1 one triangle, one circle, 2 triangles, 1 circle, 3 triangles, 1 circle, 4 triangles, 1 circle. So I'm sure you've picked up the pattern. Now we need 5 triangles, 1 circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with 1, 1, 1, 1, 1.